Hi, we're in the middle of a kitchen renovation, and we're in the demolition phase of this.
The fun part.
The fun part, yeah. The muscle part. And as you can see, if you look around, we got cabinets off of that north wall. There were upper and lower cabinets. Refrigerator's gone, got rid of that. And that little wall over there, which was a kind of a utility broom closet, that little wall is going to go eventually, because we're going to have cabinets from that far wall all the way over. And then as you pan around to the far wall here, that's where the stove and the vent fan was. I've taken down the upper cabinets, and this is the last of the upper cabinets. This is the last cabinet to come down. Here it comes. All the other ones had screws. This one had 7 nails across the bottom, 4 nails across the top. This one want to give up the ghost. There we go.
Yay!
Holy mackerel.
Ta-da-da-da-da-da!